Hi, it's Phil from parkerlinks.com. I hope you're well today and enjoying your day. Now this is a quick follow-up video on the solo cups. If you've not seen it already, please look at the link I'm going to put on the video for you. Basically, we had some free solo cups which we got from parties and bars, and we managed to make drainage holes in them and also use them as plant pots. So it's really good. Put a load of soil in there, put our seedling in, fantastic, and prove it works. There you go. Now this one wasn't done at the same time. This is one that was recent, but I'm going to prove it works fine. And the reason I'm going to do that is I can show you these. Fantastic. Yellow pear. This is a little cherry tomato, and this one, ananas noir. I had these before in the UK. This one, the yellow pear worked perfectly, so it's got to do even better here. And ananas noir, I could never get it to grow in the UK, but it's probably a temperature thing. You know, we don't have as much sun and heat in the UK, so hopefully here in the US it'll do even better, because it gets very, very hot during the summer in comparison to what I'm used to. So definitely you can see it's worth giving it a shot. So if you have, then please do put some notes down below. It'd be great to know what goes on with you. But if you haven't already, please do have a look at the first video, see what you think, give it a shot. And again, just put a note down below. It'll be fantastic to get some idea as to what other people do. Okay, so on that note, I'm going to go. Everyone, take care. Goodbye and God bless. Bye-bye.